Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through an in-depth comparison of Claude Code versus Claude Desktop so you can clearly understand which one fits your workflow better. First, let's clarify what these two actually are. Claude Desktop is the general-purpose application where you chat with Claude for writing, research, coding help, and everyday tasks. Claude Code, on the other hand, is a more advanced, developer-focused tool designed to interact directly with your codebase and perform complex coding actions. Starting with core purpose, Claude Desktop is built for broad usability. You can ask questions, write content, summarize documents, and even generate code, all inside a simple chat interface. Claude Code is much more specialized. It is designed to read your project files, understand structure, and execute coding-related tasks like editing files, refactoring code, or implementing features. Now let's talk about how you interact with each tool. Claude Desktop works like a normal chat app. You type prompts, get responses, and refine them step by step. It's very intuitive and beginner-friendly. Claude Code feels more like working with an intelligent agent. Instead of just chatting, you give it tasks like fix this bug or update this module, and it can take action across multiple files. When it comes to capability, Claude Desktop is excellent for generating ideas, explaining concepts, and writing code snippets. However, it usually works on smaller pieces of context. Claude Code goes much further by handling large code bases, understanding relationships between files, and making coordinated changes. This makes it far more powerful for real development work. Another major difference is automation. Claude Desktop mainly responds to your prompts, while Claude Code can actually perform sequences of actions. For example, it can analyze a problem, plan a solution, and then apply changes across your project. This level of automation can save a lot of time for developers. Now, let's look at ease of use. Claude Desktop is much easier to get started with. You just install it, log in, and begin chatting. Claude Code has a steeper learning curve because you need to understand how to give clear instructions and manage its actions. It's more technical, but also more powerful once you get used to it. In terms of features, Claude Desktop supports things like file uploads, long conversations, and artifacts for structured outputs. It's great for productivity and general tasks. Claude Code focuses on development features like project awareness, multi-file editing, and deeper reasoning for coding tasks. Performance is another key factor. Claude Desktop is faster for simple queries and everyday use. Claude Code may take longer to process tasks, especially complex ones, but it delivers more complete and structured results. Now let's talk about use cases. Claude Desktop is ideal for students, writers, marketers, and developers who need quick help or general assistance. Claude Code is best for software engineers working on real projects who need automation, debugging, and large-scale code changes. One important thing to understand is that these tools are not competitors in the traditional sense. They are designed for different levels of work. Many users actually use Claude Desktop for planning and thinking, then switch to Claude Code for execution. So, which one is better? If you want a simple, flexible AI assistant for everyday tasks, Claude Desktop is the better choice. If you need a powerful coding agent that can handle complex development workflows, then Claude Code is the clear winner. The best option depends on what you are trying to do. Claude Desktop gives you accessibility and ease, while Claude Code gives you depth and automation. So, rather than choosing one over the other, the smartest approach is to use each tool for what it does best and combine them to boost your overall productivity. Subscribe the channel for more videos.